Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Replace all parts and panels before operating. Failure to do so can result in death or electrical shock.
If this appliance was newly installed, check to ensure the electrical was installed correctly. This code will most often indicate that the appliance is wired incorrectly at the home electrical supply or the hardwire connection. If your range was installed recently and is not functioning, contact a qualified electrician to verify the electrical supply. To access the terminal block, remove this lower panel. After we've accessed the terminal block, we recognize that the red and white wires have been switched. This white wire here should be connected with this, the red wire with the red on the unit. So it's simply a matter of loosening the nuts and reversing the wires. And tighten these back up and check the unit for correct operation. You'll notice that this unit is a 4-wire power cord. It has the 4th ground wire connected here to the green ground screw.